Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to block emojis from appearing in comments on your Facebook profile using the latest Facebook web update. Whether you're tired of random emoji spam or just want to keep your comment section clean, this quick guide will help you take full control in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer using any web browser. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear right away. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. This will take you into your main account settings area where you can adjust all your preferences. Now, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the page. You'll see several categories there, but the one you want is called Profile and Tagging. Click on it. Scroll down a bit until you find the option that says Hide comments containing certain words from your profile. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now see a text box where you can add the words, or in this case, the emojis you want to block. To do that, click on the little emoji icon inside the text box. A full emoji panel will pop up, letting you browse and choose the specific emojis that you don't want appearing in your comments anymore. Once you've selected the emojis you'd like to block, press the Enter key, then click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, Facebook will automatically hide any comments on your profile that contain the emojis you've selected. It's a simple but effective way to keep your comment section looking tidy and focused. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.